issued a flash flood warning for Mesquite County in central Texas until 9:15 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen, with another 1 to 2 inches possible over the next 2 hours. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some low water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Meridian, Iredell, Cranfills Gap, Meridian State Park, Walnut Springs, and Morgan. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A severe